3D scanning services have become increasingly popular in Dubai, as businesses and individuals recognize the value of this advanced technology. One prominent provider of these services is Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading company in the field. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of 3D scanning services to cater to various industries and needs. One of the key advantages of 3D scanning services is their ability to capture highly accurate and detailed digital representations of physical objects. This technology utilizes lasers or structured light to create a precise 3D model of an object or space. Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in providing these high-resolution scans, ensuring that every intricate detail is captured with utmost precision. Whether it is for product design and development, reverse engineering, or quality control, their 3D scanning services can greatly enhance the efficiency and accuracy of various processes. In Dubai, where architecture and construction are booming industries, 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd are particularly valuable. These services enable architects, engineers, and contractors to create accurate and detailed 3D models of existing structures or sites. This information can then be used for renovations, expansions, or even to simulate the impact of new developments on the surrounding environment. With their expertise in 3D scanning technology, Scon Design India Private Limited ensures that these models are highly accurate and compatible with various design software. Moreover, 3D scanning services are also widely used in the manufacturing industry. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers comprehensive scanning solutions that enable manufacturers to capture the geometry of physical parts or components with exceptional precision. 3D scanning services have revolutionized the way businesses in Dubai operate, and Scon Design India Private Ltd is at the forefront of this technological advancement. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, they offer top-notch 3D scanning services that cater to various industries and sectors. Whether it's architectural designs, product development, or even cultural heritage preservation, Scon Design India Private Ltd provides accurate and detailed 3D scans that meet the highest standards. One of the main advantages of utilizing 3D scanning services is the ability to capture intricate details with precision. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of accuracy in their scans, ensuring that every measurement and texture is captured flawlessly. This level of detail allows businesses to analyze and manipulate the 3D data for various purposes, such as prototyping, quality control, and virtual reality simulations. With Scon Design India Private Ltd's expertise in 3D scanning, companies in Dubai